you poor thing. Are you all right? You look so sad. What happened to you, little bird?